mother taught me, she said, son, there's a much better way. Ooh, oh, oh. If you give her space to bloom, she'll be good to you. She's alright with me. She can be anything she wants to be. She's alright with me. I can't wait to see her spread her wings. Could be a movie star, beauty queen, doctor, lawyer, anything, long as she's by my side. Girl, she's alright. She is not like any other girl that I've met. Oh no. She is the queen of hearts and I'm placing all of my bets on her. 'Cause I know she's gonna win. And when they ask how I did it, I'm gonna tell them again. Oh, she's alright with me. She can be anything she wants to be. She's alright with me. I can't wait to see her spread her wings. Oh, she could be the next president, riding in her private jet, long as she'll let me fly. She's alright. Girls alright. She's alright with me. She can be anything she wants to be. She's alright with me. I can't wait to see her do her thing. She's alright with me. Oh, she's alright. She's alright. The girl's alright. Oh, she's alright.
And napansin ko nga rin po na marami pang katanungan kung paano nga po ba pasukin itong entry from Cavitex, no, kung saan tayo galing sa Cavite. Papasok nga po dito sa entry ng C5 Southlink eastbound, or yan nga po yung sa may Sukat, no? Hanggang Sukat lang muna siya, mga paps. So kung kayo nga po dito sa Cavitex, isasuggest ko nga po na pumesto na kayo sa bandang kanan, dahil nga po yung entry ng C5 Southlink ay andito nga po sa right side, no? So nagkakaroon nga rin po ng katanungan yan, what if possible ba na ma-impede siya ng traffic, lalo na nasa cash lane tayo, mga paps. Alam naman po natin na sa cash lane medyo mahaba ang pila, no? So for now, since free nga po yung toll fee dito sa Cavitex, any exit nga po, no, ay libre nga po ang toll fee natin for Cavitex only. Wala pa po tayo makikita masyadong pila dito sa cash lane, no? So yun nga po, no, yun nga po yung malaking tanong ng mga kababayan natin, what if meron ng bayad? So definitely mahaba yung pila dito sa cash lane. But I guess nothing to worry, mga paps, kasi meron naman talagang allotted area far right, no, ng expressway kung nasan nga po tayo ngayon. So yung cash lane nga po, yan po yung may kulay blue na kotse, yan po yung cash lane, no? So iisa po yung cash lane dito, and makikita naman po natin na medyo maganda naman po yung entry niya dito sa right side, no? So sana nga po hindi siya ma-impede ng traffic, lalo na kung mahaba yung pila dyan sa cash lane, no? And also sana maglagay ng signages, no, na kung kayo pa C5 dapat nasa right side na kayo.
I will take a little trip over yonder, so I can take a look around at what you've seen. See, from where I am, you're on an adventure in a place you can't describe. Some things can't be captured in words. So show me colors, colors I need. Pictures this time. Show me food and sights and sounds. I wanna know what you find. I want colors, colors, please show me. Life ain't black and white. Let me see you on the other side of the line. Show me colors, ooh. Show me colors, ooh. Since you've been away, the days grow longer, and I can't wait to see your smiling face. Even if it's just online, it brings me something I can't define. Some things can't be captured in words. So show me colors, colors I need. Pictures this time. Show me food and sights and sounds. I wanna know what you find. I want colors, colors, please show me. Life ain't black and white. Let me see you on the other side of the line. Swirling round and round in my head, more than all the pages I've read. Dancing on the memories, playing in my mind. When I think about it, I wonder what it would be like. Packing bags and wondering if I was by your side. So show me colors, colors I need. Pictures this time. Show me food and sights and sounds. I wanna know what you find. I want colors, colors, please show me. Life ain't black and white. Let me see you on the other side of the line. Show me colors, ooh. Show me colors, ooh. Show me colors, ooh. Show me colors, ooh.
If how much na po ba yung magiging toll fee itong C5 South Wing. But for now, bibring po siya until July 30. Any Cavitex exits.
Took a train downtown just to see where it would end. There were 7 stations left when the feeling came back. Tunnel vision started closing in. Waking up face down, trying not to comprehend. Too confused to even check where I was along the track. Stumbled out so I could drop a pin. And that's when I start to remember why I never had the heart to stay. 'Cause all it takes is an ember to burn the cold fall away. So I think it's time I ought to go.
dinadaanan mga paps. Maganda yung paggagawa. Yun, so tayo balik southbound. Nasa Cavitex na ulit tayo. Ganun lang po siya kabilis. From Sukat C5 extension, pumasok ng dito sa Cavitex. Wala ka nang dadaan ng traffic. Mas malaking impact nitong expressway na ito once na madugtog na to sa Merville. Yung sobrang sikip na sa Kakaingin Road, ano? At tindi dyan eh. So may iwasan na nga po natin yun. Ayan, so mga paps, pinakita ko nga po sa inyo yung from Cavitex, yung entry point nga nitong C5 Southlink Expressway segment 2 ay sa right side nga po tayo before mag toll gate, no? So siguro tulad nga po ng sabi ko, maglagay lang ng mga signages para hindi malito yung ating mga kababayan, no? So malayo pa maglagay na ng signages na stay na sa right side para nga po papasok ng C5 Southlink Expressway. So hanggang sa susunod na update natin mga paps, abangan nyo nga po yung mga iba pang mga i-feature natin tulad nga po nitong Cavitex, no? Maglilink na nga po siya sa Calax at nagsimula na nga po yung groundworks niya na, no? So abangan nyo nga yung mga paps at marami pa syempre. So maraming salamat po sa inyo mga papi.
Some guys they try to keep their girlfriends trapped in a cage. Oh no. But mama taught me, she said, son, there's a much better way.